Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different from my usual content. This will be a new playlist in my channel. So in this playlist, I will uploading content about drawing and design using Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. So I hope you guys will enjoy this new content. So in today's video, I will be creating a street racing comic drawing with Photoshop and Illustrator. So one day I found a nice comic drawing on internet. So it is from Street Clean. So you can see there are two beautiful nice Corolla there. So I'm thinking to recreate this comic with my own style and cars. So let's check it out how I'm gonna do this. First I'm collecting the necessary pictures to build the comic, and then I will create the outline and comic style with the use of Photoshop and Illustrator. So the first frame I want to draw is the engine part, which I think is the most difficult one, and I want to finish up as soon as possible. First, let's create the outline in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to draw the main component only, so no need to draw every single part in the engine, as long as the main component is there, such as the valve cover, some of the hoses, spark plug, As you can see, I'm adding different shades on the engine on different area. Some is darker, some is brighter, okay, depends on the position and the angle. Almost there. Just some final details. Adding the words on the intake manifold. Okay, so that's all for the engine part. Let's move on to the next frame. So next is the front view of both of the Proton Saga. Let's start with the outline first. So you can see I'm adding the outline for doors, lights, tires, and everything. Move to the next car. No need to be super detailed. I'm just adding the main shapes and component. That's fine. Some sticker. Rim is the most difficult part because it has a lot of shapes, different shades, so it takes a longer time compared to other body parts. Okay, let's adding shades, darker and brighter shades on different area. Some window reflection. So this is my black LMST. So I'm using black color. The other Saga I'm using brighter color, so it looks contrast between both of the car. Copying some Japanese words from the original comic. Okay, I'm going back to the engine part to add some details. So this is how it looks like after adding some initial D style vibration line on the engine. Okay, next will be the back view of the car. So just follow the line from the original picture. We draft the main shapes. Headlights, spoiler, windows, door. Some reflection on the window, reflection on the body, tires, rim, which is the most difficult part. Okay, let's add shading on the car. I'm using reference from the front view to take the same color shades. Almost there. So adjusting final details on the cars. Reflection, shadow. Adding the Japanese word. Adding some speed line Okay, so the back side is done. Now move to the last frame, which is the interior where the driver hand is holding the gear knob. So for this frame, I took a picture as a reference because I'm not really good in drawing human proportion. So I need a real picture as a guideline so that the proportion is as accurate as possible. This is also a very challenging part where there are a lot of details on the dashboard that need to be drawn out. A lot of buttons and shapes. So it's really take longer time for this last frame. I thought the engine part is the most difficult, but turned out the interior part is it took the most time to finish it. The total hours I spent on this drawing is around 5 hours. Okay, halfway there. Adding some buttons, details and other details, hands, shading. So it begins to look better with all the different brightness and darkness. This is the aircon panel. Okay, the last frame is done. Now we need to finish up with some final detail on the overall comics. Black and white is a bit dull for me, so I'm adding some special color on the background. So it looks more vibrant and interesting. Adding some light effects, tail lamp, headlights. So adding my Instagram name on top. Okay guys, here is the final artworks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any comments. Thanks, bye, and see you in my next video.